Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. Um, and we're going to go over to RadarOnline.com, and this is the exclusive NeNe leaks. Jailbird's son Bryson can't afford attorney in his fentanyl case, needs public defender. Even though it says an exclusive or whatever the case is, I'm gonna start this off by saying allegedly. Okay. Um, for reasons that you should already know. If you don't know, hey, that's not my issue. The article is by Whitney Vasquez, and it says NeNe Leak's older son Bryant cannot afford an attorney, so he was provided one by the court after his drug arrest, and legal documents obtained exclusively by RadarOnline.com. The Real Housewives of Atlanta alums 33-year-old child revealed he doesn't have enough money to pay for legal counsel despite his famous mama's riches. I'll reserve my comment about that till later in the article, okay? RadarOnline.com broke the story. Bryson was taken into custody at Gwinnett County Jail on July 3rd for felony possession of fentanyl, and jail records show he was still behind bars. In the document filed on July 5th, just 2 days after his arrest, Leak's son informed the court he needed an appointed counsel because he was financially unable to employ an attorney. In the filings, the box was ticked for appointment of counsel. Indigent defendant. Indigent is jargon for needy or poor. Okay? The court appoints the attorney designated above to represent the defendant. The appointment shall remain in effect through all courts in the circuit until the case is completed. Another attorney appointed, defendant retains counsel, or further court order appointed counsel shall immediately contact defendant. The documents read along with the magistrates of Gwinnett County's signature. Okay? As RadarOnline.com reported, into the Gwinnett County Jail at around 2:36 a.m. and charged with felony possession of fentanyl, a Schedule II controlled substance. He was also hit with a misdemeanor loitering/prowling charge for allegedly lurking outside of a home in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Bryson claimed he knew the people who lived there, but the police affidavit clarified that was false. That wasn't the only thing Bryson fabricated to the police about. At the time of his arrest, he told law enforcement that he was NeNe Leak's other son, Brent. Jail records indicate he was released after that day, when cops still thought Bryson was his younger brother, but rearrested once they discovered his true identity. In newly filed documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, prosecutors slapped Bryson with a charge of giving a false name, address, or birth date to a law enforcement officer. He was also accused of violating probation in another case. He is scheduled to appear in court later this month. Yeah, that is the end, honey. I mean, what can you really say? I wouldn't have expected for NeNe to, step up to the plate and help her son out, even though that is her son at some point as a parent. It becomes less of a person's parenting and more of the actual physical adult's choices that they make. I'm pretty sure for whatever reason, and certainly know that, you know, neither the younger brother or Miss Leaks wanted this for him. Whatever he's going through, whatever the issue is, you know, um, you know, it comes a time where sometimes you gotta show that tough love and let your kids, you know, hit that rock bottom. You know, I mean, that does not mean that she loves any of her children any less. I would never assume that, personally myself. But at some point, when your children make certain sets of decisions that can affect them, such as this, and probably other things, whatever the case may be, um, you know, it has to be a point to where as though, you know, I love my children, but I gotta let them, you know, bump their head and fall on their ass. For real. Um, will she help her son out? I wouldn't feel no type of way about it if she didn't help her son out, for real, because for one, at some point, you should know better. Okay, regardless of what the circumstances and situations is, to each his own. You know, that's private business. Anybody that has first-hand knowledge can speak on it, but I do not. So I'll just say that what I'm saying right now. Um, I truly hope that this gentleman, this young man, gets the help that he needs. Whatever services that, you know, that entails, whether it be the justice system, whether it be counseling, whether it be for addiction, allegedly, whatever the case is. I hope that he gets and, you know, is able to turn his life around, ultimately. You know, does this look bad? Yes. Is it really messed up that he used his younger brother, who is battling his own issues in terms of medically? If you're not aware, the younger son, Brent, he was, you know, in the hospital not too long ago. I hope that he is recovering well. I hope that he is getting stronger every day. And I hope that he is able to reclaim his life back after having congestive heart failure, and I believe it was a stroke as well. So, thoughts and prayers to them in that regards, and thoughts and prayers to them in regards of, you know, her older son getting the help that he needs, or the lesson that he needs. You know, so I would definitely love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section. So please don't hesitate to drop down and let me know how you feel about this story. And we're going to keep it moving right along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And with that, you guys, thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching my videos, truly. And I will get with you in the next one.